I'm Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with a patient who's actually a local boy.
Yes.
Has been here for many years, working for Blue Origin, and he's had some back problems. You've had back pain for how long now?
Since I was 19, I fell and broke my back when I was 19 and went through the motions of dealing with it until, just here probably the last 2 years it's gotten really bad. So I decided I had to do something about it.
And he had a fusion done with screws and rods. You got Harrington rods put in 1990. We don't do those rods anymore, but just below the fusion at L34, L45, he had a spondylolisthesis disc problems. We went in yesterday with the laser and we repaired those 2 discs. And how are you feeling today?
I feel fantastic. This is the best I felt in months. I'm not taking any kind of medications or anything, any kind of narcotics to make it feel better. I mean, it feels fantastic and I'm so happy.
The pain that you had in your back for the last 20 years, do you still have that pain?
I do not.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Cured.
Cured.
Awesome. And what was your other option for treatment? I mean, if you didn't go with the Deuk laser disc repair, what else could you have done?
The only thing I could have done was get a hold of the doctor that originally did the surgery, but he just had retired and I didn't know where to turn. A few people that I know have already had procedures done here, told me about this, and that's when I came to see you. I don't know what I would have done. I tried pain management, it didn't work. After that, that was my only option to come see you.
And you heard about us from people locally, people
Yes.
that have been treated here, and what did they have to say?
They said they feel 100% better, no pain, they're living a normal life again.
And you can see in your surgery, those rods extended down, and we went in with the laser and cleaned out the annular tear that was causing all that pain for you. Surgery took us about an hour. And how long did it take you to recover from your surgery?
It was probably 45 minutes, and then my wife drove me home and ate. And then I fell asleep for the rest of the night. I had the best night's sleep I've had, and I don't even remember when.
And here you are like 12 hours later.
Yeah, not even.
Not even 12 hours. Not even 24, 12 hours after surgery, because he had it last night, and now here he is back, and no pain meds.
No pain meds.
All right, was there anything else you want to tell your friends out there at Blue Origin?
If you have a back injury, come see Dr. Deuk, because he'll fix you up. It's a miracle. I'm so grateful for you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Just good medicine, that's all.
That's
no
it.
miracle, just good medicine. Take care of yourself.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.